Engineers should find and develop their expertise. Why they should find and develop their expertise? What's the importance of finding and developing their expertise? It gives them some kind of specialization, more value addition to whatever the field they are. Because in today's competitive world, you have to stand different from the crowd. You have to be a specialized person. You should have an expertise to display your strength. This is why we look for engineers to improve, to work upon their expertise. And we will be looking at some of the reasons why engineers should find and develop their expertise. Hi, I'm Pradeep Kumar Kepi. I am engineers growth coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in their life. This will empower engineers to contribute for a constructive, resilient, and sustainable society by creating technologies and by providing knowledge for its better and maximum utilization. So we are talking about why engineers should sharpen their expertise and the reason for that. So the first reason is that the career advancement. So by developing their expertise, engineers can increase their value to their employers, potentially leading to promotions and increased job opportunities. And the second one is competitive advantage. In today's jobs market, there is a lot of competition for engineers' positions. By developing their expertise, engineers can set themselves apart from other job applicants and increase their chances of landing their desired job to compete with the market. And the third one is to increase job satisfaction. If engineers who develop their expertise often find more satisfactions in their work, they are able to tackle more complex problems, have a greater impact on their projects, and feel more confident in their abilities. The satisfaction is more with a person, engineer with an expertise. Then definitely, if you are an expertise, you have an edge over others and you have a better compensation, and employers often value specialized skill and expertise and may be willing to pay higher salaries to engineers who possess them. So as an expertise, the next you can keep up with the technological advancement. Engineering is a rapidly evolving field. As an engineer who develop their expertise are better able to stay current with the new technologies and advancement in their field. This can help them remain competitive in the job market and be effective in their work. These are the advantage of the people have to compete with the market. If somebody want to find their own opportunities from their expertise, they can, the developing and finding the expertise them use to sharpen their ability, come up with their own product and communicate to the world about their product, and also to monetize that individually. Because you need not to get into the bandwagon of a competition. You can find your own way because you are a unique person, and what the expertise you are taking, what are the point you are focusing. If you work on that point, you will be an awesome person on that particular expertise and particular niche. So as an engineer, you have a lot of areas you have to work. You have a lot of fields that the specialized or experts are required. If you work on your special area, you dig it down into a so narrow field where you show your expertise, there will be a lot of takers for your knowledge. And nowadays, the world is at your reach with the online capabilities. Then to give out your expertise with a value and monetize that, becomes very easy nowadays. It's the main reasons why that engineers has to sharpen their expertise and find and develop their expertise. So thank you very much for listening this, and hope that you are happy with these points and will work out on your expertise as an engineer. And if you are interested to have many more videos on engineers growth, please subscribe to this channel.